Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away, lived a princess who had been cursed by a wicked witch. She was doomed to sleep forever in her palace. The people of the kingdom called her the Sleeping Beauty. Many princes and princesses from different kingdoms, as well as people from her own kingdom, had tried to wake up Sleeping Beauty. But they had all failed. Everyone in the kingdom was sad that their princess was cursed. In that same kingdom lived a little girl called Cinderella. You must have heard of her. She lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters, Anastasia and Drizella. The stepmother was very unkind to Cinderella. She made her work the whole day. From morning till night, the little girl washed and cleaned and scrubbed. Poor Cinderella! By the end of each day, she was so tired that she fell into bed exhausted. Cinderella wished for a different life. She dreamed of adventures, of riding horses, of traveling far and wide.
What is it, Cinderella? Why do you look so sad?
I wish I could have at least one day to myself. I would love to go on some adventure. I'm always stuck in the house doing the housework.
You are right. We have been so selfish. Why don't you take a few days off? Anastasia and I will do the housework.
Oh, thanks, Drizella. But where can I go? And what adventure can I have?
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
Why don't you try to find a way to wake up Sleeping Beauty?
Ooh, interesting.
That is a really good idea. But I have no idea how to wake up Sleeping Beauty. So many people have tried and failed.
I am sure you will figure something out once you put your mind to it.
Cinderella spent the next few days looking up books in the library whenever she had time. After referring to many books, she finally had an idea of how she could help Sleeping Beauty wake up.
Anastasia, Drizella, I know what to do. I need to get different herbs from the mountains, pound them all and make a mixture. The aroma from this mixture will wake up Sleeping Beauty.
Wow, you're so smart. How did you figure that out?
Thank you. I just did a lot of research by reading many books.
So when do you want to go and wake Sleeping Beauty?
I will go tomorrow and collect all the herbs from the mountain. I will then need a day to make the mixture.
Great! So for the next few days, Drizella and I will do all your housework. You go have your adventure.
All the best, Cinderella. If you can manage to wake up Sleeping Beauty, the whole kingdom will be so grateful to you.
Thank you, girls. You are the best stepsisters anyone could ever have.
So early next morning, Cinderella set off for the mountains. She spent the whole day searching for and collecting the different herbs that she needed to make her special mixture. The next day, Cinderella prepared the mixture. She then set off for the palace. The palace was all quiet and peaceful. Cinderella went up the stairs and softly opened the bedroom door. There on the bed lay Sleeping Beauty. Cinderella approached her slowly. She held the mixture of herbs below Sleeping Beauty's nose. The herbs were working. Cinderella could see Sleeping Beauty gently stirring.
Hello? Who are you? Has the curse been lifted? How did I wake up?
Hello, Princess. My name is Cinderella. I helped you wake up.
Oh, thank you. I'm so very grateful to you. Will you be my friend?
Everyone in the kingdom was overjoyed on hearing that Sleeping Beauty was finally awake. They rejoiced and thanked Cinderella profusely. From that day